Hello and welcome. I'm Courtney from Magic Moon Nails, and I'm here to share with you a look at what's inside Maniology's Mani by Me subscription box for the month of February. Hello, thank you for joining me. Today I'm opening February's Mani by Me subscription box from Maniology. This is my second subscription box from Maniology, and this month's box is inspired by kirigami, the Japanese art of paper cutting. Each item in this month's package will take your imagination on a journey of lights, shadows, and silhouettes. This says that this month's polishes are inspired by the playful glow of a paper lantern. It describes Nico as a creamy light yellow polish and Shibori as a shadowy navy blue. It goes on to talk about this month's special gift as being a 4-piece set of ultra-thin holographic striping stickers. This month I received a pineapple and cherry gummy. Cool. This is the navy blue polish called Shibori. Looks like some of the polish leaked a bit. This light yellow polish is called Nico. And it appears to have leaked as well, so I'll go ahead and email customer support to let them know. Next are the 4-piece set of nail art stickers. This is Maniology plate MXM002. This next plate is MXM001. That's all the items that I received in this month's Mani by Me box. I'll leave all the info about the boxes in the description. Now let's go ahead and try out a couple of designs. final looks. Thanks again for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up, and to make sure that you don't miss any future videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments. Sending you all much peace and love. Bye.